Okay, next experiment. Still back to the 2013 Ford F-150. Trying to find the right light angle so you can really see the orange specks. So there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and treat the entire door. We're going to spray on the Iron X, see how it comes out here. There it is, Iron X. Cherry scent. Smells like rotten eggs to me, but cherry scent. Okay, it's corrosive, so got my glove. Do have safety glasses on. So according to the company, this doesn't harm your paint. But it also says it'll take the wax right off too. So if you like to wax your vehicle, you're probably gonna have to do it again. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of purple coming off here. So we'll ask Siri to set a timer. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
There we go. Minutes. Alright, let's grab a towel, wet towel per the instructions. See if we can see any more of those orange dots. Okay, I'm not seeing. I remember seeing a bunch over here, some up in here. I'm not seeing any. I think they're all gone. So there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh, there's a speck of something I just scraped off with my fingernail there. Down here I still see a little orange. I wonder if I can get that off with the towel if I scrub it. Well, it's fading, but it's not going away completely. That's the only speck I can see still. There's something right there, maybe another one. Yeah, that came off. I'd say it worked pretty good. So, while we're treating this section, I went ahead and did the driver's door in the front of the truck, and you can see there's a lot of purple on there. I intended to go ahead and do that at some point. Okay, I did the front of the truck too, and check it out. That's plastic. You can see a lot of purple on there, so there must be specks there that we're developing that I hadn't found yet. More purple over here. Check out that hood. I hit a deer 4 years ago. No, only 3 years ago. And the hood was replaced. So you can tell that's not rust on an aluminum hood after only 3 years. So there might be something to this whole theory from the Ford garage about rail dust. So maybe those orange specks are actually coming from rail dust. I'm going to go ahead and continue to clean all this with a damp cloth. Go from there.